Nice. What? Viva Street.
Let's get Viva Street.
Hey, man, I agree, man.
Dorset, Bournemouth. Well, that's a guy you took it.
Hey Marcel, that's how packed it is, isn't it, Amr? There's that hideous bloke as well, fisherman. But god damn, look at how packed that is, man, guys. Woo-wee. Talk about COVID-19, huh? This ain't no COVID-19, this one. Ah, damn. So rammed as a motherfucker out here. Would you look at that? See you, motherfucker. Oh well, I ain't hear about no damn COVID-19 after this one. Gonna keep that COVID story dead. It's on record now, and I'll suggest you try to buy smaller shirts because your stomach just keeps hanging out of the shirts. You know what I mean, Emma?
Disabled badge holders are free, so you can park, mate.
Okay, so just try to buy something that's going to get around that stomach, around the gut. Try to do maybe a triple XL or something because you can't just keep walking around and
Reach that way, you ass.
can't just keep walking around with, you know, stomachs swinging around with that. You know what I mean, Emma? So in future, please do yourself a favour and get a bigger size than usual, okay? And we say finally. And the rock means finally. Look at the state of that chap. Hideous man. What do you reckon? Marcel is in the building as well. Marcel is in the building as well. Marcel, there's no need to run, Marcel. You're also in the building, Marcel.
Now, this one, take one picture here, mate.
I'm in.
For the water.
Oh no. No, he's not done it, is he? Just look at that state of that guy. Look at the state of that guy.
It's time.
That fish trying to pose, you know.
Who?
Go on, Marcel. What an ugly son of a gun.
What
an ugly bloke. What an ugly chap. Good Lord. My Christ. Lord have mercy. State of that chap. And the state of that guy, Amir Hussain.
Yeah, मुंडा डिगे था.
Kitte mare.
मुंडा डिग गया. और क्या करना है? आहो. ए फोटो फंसे. पीछे जाना है.
The gut lining. Should you be on this boat, mate? Should you be on this boat, my fella? Should you? Absolutely hideous creature. Oh, back off. Back the hell off, man. Freaking beast.